Hello dear students. Now I am explaining by examples for your better understanding about convergent sequence. You see, question is like this. This is a sequence, right? Okay, bracketed 3 plus n minus 1 into 2. Okay, here Tn is 3 plus n minus 1 into 2, right? This is a sequence. Test whether it is convergent or not. You see solution. Here you see Sn is equal to T1 plus T2 plus T3 dot Tn, right? That is equal to what? N by 2 into 2a. A is equal to 3. 2a plus n minus 1 into d, right? Here you see this is AP form, AP arithmetic progression, arithmetic progression. What? A plus D, A plus 2D, like this. Okay, this is arithmetic progression. Okay, so Sn is equal to this. Limit, now we will find what? Limit of Sn n tends to infinite. That is equal to limit of n by 2 into here 6 plus 2n minus 2. Okay, multiplying this by distribution law. Okay, then you see here, then cancelling 2 and taking here 2 as common, that is equal to limit of n into 2 plus n tends to infinite, that will be infinite. Okay, what? That will be infinite, right? Okay, so that is why this sequence, understand, this sequence is not convergent sequence, it is divergent sequence, right? Then come to another question. You can understand. You see, this is a sequence. Test whether it is convergent or not. Solution. You see here. It is a what? Geometric progression. Geometric progression. What? Geometric progression. AR square, like this, dot. This is geometric progression. Okay, test whether it is convergent or not. Sn, here you see Sn is equal to a into 1 minus r to the power n by 1 minus r. R is not equal to 1, right? Case 1, understand, case 1, when absolute value of r is less than 1. Okay, now we are discussing in two cases, case 1, case 2. When absolute value of r is less than 1, you see here minus 1 less than r less than 1. So r to the power n tends to 0 when n tends to infinite. Understand? R to the power n, okay, r to the power n tends to 0 when n tends to infinity. Very simple, very easy to understand. When the value of r lies between minus 1 and 2. Okay, in number line you see 0, this is 1, this is minus 1. Okay, here the value lies between minus 1 and 1. So multiplying that value up to what? N times, up to infinite times, that will be surely very close to 0, comes to what? 0. So that is why r to the power n tends to 0 when n tends to infinite. So limit of Sn, you see, limit of a into 1 minus r to the power n by 1 minus r, that is equal to, this value is 0, so that is equal to a by 1 minus r. That means this this sequence is convergent to a by 1 minus r under the condition when absolute value of r, okay, absolute value of r is less than 1. And case 2, you see, case 2, when absolute value of r is greater than 1, limit of a into 1 minus r to power n by 1 minus r n tends to infinity. Okay, you will see, I am taking example you can understand. So, limit of 3, I am taking, I have taken a is equal to 3 and r is equal to 2. Here you see, so this value will be infinite. Okay, then when I am you see, I am taking here a is equal to minus 3 and r is equal to minus 2, sorry, r is equal to 2. Okay, so that it will be minus infinite, right? Here you see another example, 3 into 1 minus, here r is equal to minus 2 I have taken. Okay, minus 2. So that will be infinite when n is odd. And this value will be minus infinity when n is even number. Okay, so we cannot say the sequence, this sequence is convergent when absolute value of r is greater than 1. Perhaps you have understood about convergent sequence, divergent sequence. Okay, now I am explaining in Odia for Odia medium students. आमे convergent गोटे sequence टाको आमे केतले convergent कहबा ना जत्ते बेले सी sequence रो कोन टोटल टर्म सा को नबा सी सीरीज इनफिनाइट गोटे सीरीज करबा सीरीज रो जत्ते टर्म आको छै ताको ऐड करिके ताको कोन करबा लिमिट बाहर करबा केते के कंडीशन ना n टेंड्स टू इनफिनाइट से कंडीशन ने जदी आमे समेशन नो जदी लिमिट बाहर करिके आमे देखले गोटे कि रियल वैल्यू आसिला सेतले आमे कहबा कन्वर्जेंट नले जदी रियल वैल्यू नो आसिला इनफिनाइट आसिला कि माइनस इनफिनाइट आसिला बा 0/0 फॉर्म ई टाइप रे आसिला हैला बा बेले के इनफिनाइट बेले के माइनस इनफिनाइट ई भले जदी वैल्यू आसिला ताले आमे सेटा कहि परिबा नै कन्वर्जेंट सीक्वेंस कोन कहबा डाइवर्जेंट सीक्वेंस. Okay, later time we will discuss more about convergent and divergent sequence. Perhaps you have understood it clearly. Thank you very much. Bye.